Good morning, participants, delegates, guidance counselor, guidance designates all over the country. We are very proud to present to you the collaborative effort shared by the writers, illustrators, and also contributors to come up with the grade 12 homeroom guidance module. I am Dr. Philip Ramer Punzalan, one of the curriculum module writers of this module. Let me present to you the content of this slide desk. Here we go. The homeroom guidance module of grade 12. The table of contents composed of the following 4 quarters. For the first quarter, it will be presented later. Module 1 entitled Self-Analysis, a Step to My Improvement. Module 2, Accepting Others' Individuality. Module 3, Recognizing My Limitations. Second quarter, Module 4, Decisive Person. Module 5, The Decision is from Me, My Experience. For the third quarter, we have the Module 6, I Am Safe. Module 7, Live Positively. Fourth quarter, Module 8, Preserve, Promote, and Protect. For our Module 1, Quarter 1, it composed of objectives. For number 1, identify one's strengths and weaknesses and their role on personal development. Show ways to enhance strengths and weaknesses on different aspects of personality: physical, physiological, mental, spiritual, social, moral, and emotional. And express commitment in valuing oneself. It covered the time allotment of 60 minutes as for week 1 of first quarter. The following will be the materials: ball pen, pencil, clean sheet of paper. For our motivation, the learner is encouraged to assume scenario in facing the front of a mirror and acts out emotional reactions on the different situation or aspect of personality through observation and evaluation. This entitled mirroring therapy, whereas the grade 12 learners able to analyze the current situation, connecting the past, present, and to the future. This will be the processing questions. How did you feel about the activity? What is easy or difficult and why? Were you able to mirror emotional reactions you had towards the different scenarios in your life and aspect of your personality? How? And what are the weaknesses and strengths that you have identified or discovered? For our main activity, the learner is tasked to accomplish the personal development action plan by copying the personal development template below on the answer sheet and write responses to each column: the personal goal, behaviors, specifically the column want to stop, minimize, keep doing, do more, and start with. This will be the processing questions. How did you find this activity? How did you manage easily your goals, considering the 5 steps stated in every column? By following through with this personal goal development worksheet and implementing this in your current situation, how did you think it will impact your life, particularly in the midst of COVID pandemic? So this will help the participants or our learner to able to expound their goal planning setting for them to have an initiation to move along on the progress of their adjustment. For the lecturette, the discussion will help the learner understand the grade 12 senior high school must have an awareness on the different aspects of development. It is recommended to set balanced life through their physical, mental, emotional, social, and spiritual aspects. It was integrated to Erik Erikson's psychosocial theory of personal development. So definitely, the lecturette is very important to come up with a particular subtopics and its content aligned to the objectives that we have. For the balanced person, they should develop an active role by interpreting the expectations of the social actors from the home and work domains from the institution, wherein able to manage the particular aspect of one's life, the physical, responsibility for your physical health and self-care. Mental, maintain mental habits including coping resilience and good judgment. Emotional, increasing ability to perceive, assess, and manage emotions. For the social, sense of self in relating with others through Erik Erikson's psychosocial theory. And for the last one, spiritual activities engagement as part of a balanced person, which will entail the sense of awareness for the grade 12 to become ready in forwarding themselves to self-improvement. And for our application, the learner is tasked to write a poem of at least 4 lines about personal insights on how to value oneself. It will be shared to the family at home or share it with friends in the social media sites. So definitely, it will able to help and engage the learner to, to craft a particular point of view through the form created by themselves. Okay? And for our evaluation, the learner will make their own pledge of commitment, stating that despite of many challenges facing now, is still able to manage life with courage and determination. This is very important. They are going to write it on how to be able to do a particular aspect to continue what they have started. And the last, the learner reflection is directed to share and write insights they have learned by filling out the graphic organizer below. My 3 big steps in achieving personal development. On the ladder and achieving it. On the last part, this will serve as the totality of gained knowledge of our Module 1, self-analysis, a step to my improvement. Thank you so much and God bless. So I hope you have learned valuable things from a particular aspect of grade 12, module 1, quarter 1 that will help us for our learner in producing a better quality formation for them to have greater learning, becoming unaware